In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know in HWiNFO and laptop if there is CPU throttle. We'll walk through exactly where to look in HWiNFO and how to interpret the labels so you can tell at a glance whether your laptop CPU is being held back by heat or power limits. Start by opening HWiNFO in sensors only mode. When HWiNFO loads just the sensors, you'll see a long scrolling list of live readings. This is the view we want because it focuses entirely on real-time data without extra windows getting in the way. Now, scroll down until you reach the CPU sensor section. It's usually labeled with your processor name and may have subsections that expand. If you see small arrows, expand them to reveal more lines. You're in the right place when you start seeing entries related to temperatures, clocks, and limits for the CPU. Within that CPU section, look specifically for throttle-related entries. The key ones include thermal throttling, core thermal throttling, and package or ring thermal throttling. These indicate whether the CPU or parts of it have reduced speed due to high temperatures. You should also look for power limit exceeded and EDP limit throttling. Those point to power or current constraints rather than heat, which can happen when the laptop enforces its design limits. Finally, check for ProShot, a protective signal that tells the CPU to throttle when a thermal limit is reached. Next, focus on the status indicators in the columns, especially the current column. HONFO often shows simple yes or no values, and sometimes you'll see words like triggered or active. This is the key. If any of those throttle-related entries change to yes, triggered, or active, your laptop CPU is throttling. Even a brief change matters because it means the CPU reduced performance at that moment to stay within safe thermal or power limits. You may notice that HWiNFO also tracks historical states in adjacent columns, so a line might read no right now, but still show that something was triggered earlier in the session. That's a strong clue that throttling occurred under load or during spikes. A quick guide to what you're seeing. Thermal throttling and core thermal throttling relate to overheating on the whole chip or individual cores. Package or ring. Thermal throttling points to the CPU package or ring bus hitting a thermal cap. Power limit exceeded means the processor hit its configured power limit. EDP limit throttling is about electrical design point constraints, often current delivery. And ProShot indicates that a protection threshold was reached. To sum up, open HWiNFO in sensors only mode, scroll to the CPU section, watch those throttle related entries, and if any read yes, triggered, or active, your CPU is throttling.